What is REST operator? What is the meaning of spread operator? What is the differences between both of them? So in this video, I'm talking about the most important topic of JavaScript, that is REST operator and spread operator. Hello champs, welcome to all of you on my Pyarasa channel Coding from Mumbai. So without any further late, let's get start the video. So let's start with the first type of operator, that is REST operator. Now, before talking about all information about REST operator, I am simply focusing on as visual what exact problem is solved by the REST operator. So for that, I am simply creating a function. The name of function is fun, and that function contains two arguments a comma b. In the body of the function, I am simply printing the value of both the argument a comma b. Now, after defining the function, I am call the function by passing two arguments 4, 5. Let's run the program. Now here, I am able to print the same value or same data that I am passing during calling of the function by using fun function. Okay. Now, question is, in this example, where we are able to use REST operator. Okay. So for that, let's understand. Now, what happen if I am passing more than two arguments during calling of this function? What is happen? Let's see. Means I want to pass more than two arguments in the calling of this particular function. Okay. What is happen? Let's run the program and see what is output. I am only able to get the value of first two argument, that is 4, 5. The remaining element or the remaining parameter is not able to receive by fun function, because fun function only have two argument, that is a comma b. So this function only receive the first two argument or first two parameter from this calling of the function. So this is the problem. If I am providing more than two argument in this function, so this function only able to receive first two argument. The remaining element or remaining parameter is not able to receive by using fun function. So for solving this problem, we have two choices. First choice is I am simply defining same number of argument that I am passing during calling of the function, like c, d, e, and then I am just printing the value of each and every argument like this. Now let's run the program. So this time I am able to print all the parameter that I am passing during calling of the function from 4 to 8. Okay. Second choice is, instead of creating too many arguments for receiving the remaining parameters, we have to use REST operator. So by using REST operator, we are able to receive all the remaining or REST parameter from calling of the function into the definition of function. Okay. So for that, I am simply want to clear the console. Now just remove all these multiple parameter or extra parameter, that is c, d, and e, like this. Now I am just creating the REST operator in this example. That particular REST operator are able to receive all the remaining or REST parameter from this function, that is 6, 7, and 8. So for that, I am simply comes here in the definition of the function and providing the comma. After that, I am just writing here 3 dot operator, like 1, 2, and 3. After that, I am writing here name of variable, like c. Okay. So this is the REST operator. It means 4 and 5 is received by a comma b, and all the rest or remaining parameter is received by this particular c or REST operator. Understand? So this is the REST operator. Now I also want to print the value of c variable. I am simply creating c variable. Before that, I am just writing 3 dot operator, so it becomes the REST operator. Okay. Now let's run the program. You are able to see I am getting the output. Now first output is 4 and 5, that is value of a and b, and c is the argument that are received an array, and that particular array contain the remaining element or remaining parameter from the calling of the function, that is 6, 7, and 8. Understand? Means by using REST operator, we are able to store or receive all the remaining or REST parameter from calling of the function, and all the remaining or REST parameter are received into the REST operator in form of array. So it create an array, and in array all the remaining or REST parameter are stored, and that are pointed by the variable that is C in this example. So this is the use of REST operator. This type of problem is solved by the REST operator. I think till now you are able to understand why we are using REST operator. Okay, so let's read the definition of REST operator. Here I am writing some information about REST operator as well as spread operator. So in REST operator, function parameters means I'm talking about functions parameter in this example. Okay, read the definition. The REST parameter syntax allows you to represent an indefinite number of argument as an array. Means we are able to provide infinite number of argument during calling of the function. All the rest or remaining parameter are received by REST operator directly by directly writing single argument, and then it collects the remaining argument passed to a function into single array parameter. Means here whatever remaining parameter are received by this particular REST operator into single array. So this is basic definition and basic use of REST operator. Now let's talk about second type of operator, that is spread operator. Now let's talk about the spread operator. Okay, so for that I'm simply open our file where I'm writing all the information about spread operator. So the spread operator in JavaScript is a versatile syntax used for variety of tasks, mainly related to the arrays and objects. Here are some common use cases of spread operator. First use case is copying arrays, second is concatenating arrays, third is passing arrays element as an argument, fourth is splitting a string into characters. So these are four types of use case of spread operator. Before talking about all the use case of spread operator, I just want to tell you one thing. The syntax of creating the REST operator as well as the syntax of creating the spread operator is completely same, but the working is completely different. Okay, so in the first type of operator, that is REST operator, is have a same syntax but use is different. But when I'm talking about spread operator, so syntax is same but use are different. There are four types of use case of spread operator. So let's see the first type of use case of spread operator, that is copying the array. Means if I want to copy the element of one array into another one, so by using a spread operator, we are able to do that. Okay. So in this example, now you are able to see I'm simply creating array, that is ARR1. That array contains 3 elements of string data type. If I want to copy the element of this array into another one, so by using spread operator, we are able to do that. Okay. So for that, I'm simply writing here const ARR2. Now here I'm just writing here square bracket and writing 3 dot operator like 1, 2, 3. And then name of our older array, that is ARR1. So this is the example of spread operator. I'm simply writing a square bracket in that 3 dot operator and then name of our array. By using this syntax, we are able to copy all elements of this array into ARR2 array. Now I just want to print the second array, that is ARR2. Now let's run the program and see output. So I'm getting an array. That array have same elements that are already have ARR1 array. Means by using spread operator, we are able to copy the element of one array into another one by using this syntax. Just writing a square bracket and then dot operator, the name of our older array, that is ARR1. So all the elements of this array are accepted or copied by ARR2 array into the ARR2 array. Okay, so this is the first use case of spread operator. So let's see the second use case of spread operator, that is concatenating arrays. What is the meaning of this? Let's understand. Okay, so I'm just want to removing all these things, and now let's create another array like ARR2. That array contains some data like numbers 45, 78 and 12. Now I'm simply creating another array. My requirement is I just want to concatenate first and second array and copy that concatenated array into our new array, that is ARR. So by using a spread operator, we are able to concatenate two array and putting inside another array. So I'm simply writing a square bracket and then writing the 3 dot operator and then name of first array, that is ARR1. Now I also want to put or copy the element of second array into first array. So simply writing a comma, then again 3 dot operator, the name of second array, that is ARR2. So by using this syntax of spread operator, we are able to copy the element of both the array, first and second array, into the new array, that is ARR. So this is the syntax of concatenate two arrays into another one. So by using spread operator, we are able to do that. Now I just want to print the new array that have combination of these two array. Now let's run the program. You are able to see I am getting an array. That array have 6 element, first 3 element of first array and third and second 3 element of second array. So by using spread operator, in this way we are able to concatenate two arrays by using spread operator. So let's see the third use case of spread operator, that is passing array elements as argument. Means if I want to pass array element as argument inside the function, how we are able to do that? By using spread operator. Okay, so for that, let's see the third use case. I just want to remove all these things like this. Now let's see the third use case. So for that, I'm simply creating a function. The name of function is same, that is fun, and this function contains 3 arguments, that is ABC, and this function just print the value of all these 3 variables A, B and C. I'm simply creating a function. That function contains 3 arguments ABC. In the body of the function, I'm just printing all the value of the argument. Okay. Now here I'm just calling the function by passing 3 parameters as argument inside the fun function that are received by the argument ABC, and then I just want to print all the value of the variable. Okay, so let's run the program. You are able to see I'm getting the value of each and every parameter that I'm passing during calling of the function. Okay. Now instead of passing 3 arguments separated by the comma, we are able to pass a whole array as a parameter by using spread operator. Okay. So let's see how we are able to do that. I just want to remove all these 3 elements. Now I just want to pass this particular whole array inside the fun function as a parameter. Whether in function definition, I'm not going to make any changes. Okay. I'm just writing here spread operator by writing 3 dot and then name of our array. So by using spread operator, we are able to pass a whole array instead of passing 3 different arguments inside the fun function. Whether in function definition, I'm not making any changes. So let's see what is the output. I'm getting same result, that is each and every element of the array are received by the argument of A, B, C of the function. Means by using spread operator, we are able to pass a whole array as a parameter instead of passing the multiple argument inside the function calling. Okay, so this is the third use case of spread operator, passing a whole array as a parameter inside a function. Now let's talk about the fourth use case, that is splitting a string into character. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Let's see. I just want to take another example for understanding the fourth use case. Okay, so for that I'm creating a variable like const str which have a string data type value like Narayan. Okay, means I'm simply creating a variable that have a string data type of value, that is Narayan. My requirement is I just want to split each and every character of this string by using spread operator. What is my result? I just want to separate each and every character of this array like this, of this string like this. What is happen? Okay, so I just want to split each and every character of this string by using spread operator. My expected output is this. Okay, so let's see how we are able to split each and every character of this string by using spread operator. So I'm simply creating a variable, that is my var, in which I'm just writing a square bracket. By using spread operator, I'm writing 3 dot operator, the name of our string. After that, I just want to print value of this variable. Now let's see what is the output. Now here I'm getting an array. That array contain each and every character of this particular string separated by the comma. So by using spread operator, in this way we are able to split each and every character of a string by using spread operator. Okay, so this is the fourth use case of spread operator. I think till now your concept about spread operator is clear. So these are the fourth use case of spread operator. First one is copy array. If I want to copy the element of one array into another one, so by using spread operator, we are able to do that. Second is concatenate array. If I want to concatenate multiple arrays into another one, so by using spread operator, we are able to do that. Third is passing a whole array instead of passing multiple argument inside the function parameter. Fourth one is splitting the each and every character of a string by using spread operator. Now let's talk about what is the main difference between spread operator and rest operator, because the syntax of both the operator is completely same, but the working is completely different. Okay. Now here spread operator. Spread operator used in place where you want to spread elements. If you want to spread out each and every element of any particular array or objects, so by using spread operator, we are able to spread. If we want to collect the element, so that time rest operator is used in function parameter to collect the remaining elements. Means if you want to collect the element, so we have to use rest operator. If we want to spread the element, so we have to use spread operator. Understand? So these are the main difference between spread operator and rest operator. If you are watching my video very well, so I'm talking about third use case of spread operator, that is passing a whole array as a parameter inside the function definition, inside the function calling. That time I'm passing whole array as a parameter. So each and every element of that particular array is spread into multiple arguments that are received by the function. But when I'm talking about the rest operator, is used for collecting the element, but spread operator is used for spreading the elements. Okay, so I think your concept about these two types of operator is clear. So thanks for watching this video.